let's look at this song by Jacklin called "To Be Apart." It's a cover of a Bill Fay song. Bill Fay was like around in the 60s and 70s, and a lot of people are covering his songs lately. Um, so it's pretty simple though, just 3 chords. First chord is B flat. And if you have trouble with bar chords, you could just take your A shape and move it up 1 fret, and just try to limit your picking to just the D, G, and B strings. And then we have a C. And that's the chorus of the song is B flat, and it's a good song for her because it features her vocals quite prominently. And then on the verse, there is it differs from the chorus because they add a D minor. In the verse, I think we go B flat, D minor, and then B flat, C. Whereas the chorus is just B flat to C. Okay, so hopefully that helps you if you're looking to play that song. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.